Yes, now we'll go with Second World War that took place between 1939 to 1945. 19 Second World War 1939 to 1945. So let us see what are the causes for this. First one is Germans' occupation of Poland. German occupied a country called Poland on September 1st, 1939. September 1st, 1939. So this was the first reason where the Second World War took place. And in the second one was more than 30 countries directly participated in this war. Thirdly, rich countries experienced great economic depression. So rich countries, why did they experience great economic depression? Because during the First World War they have spent most of the money for the war, and everything was being destroyed, and therefore now they don't have money, and industries also were weak, etc. So rich countries experienced great economic depression. Then the big industrialists funded more money to nourish ultra nationalism in Germany and other European countries. So the industrialist people, they gave fund for those who want to become a dictator. That is especially Germany. Germany's Hitler. Germany's Hitler, who became a dictator, is because of this industrialist. Like that, even for other European countries, they have like Italy, etc. So, like this, in Germany, Hitler became the dictator, and in Italy, Mussolini became the dictators. Emerged means they came into rise. So, in East Asia, on the other side, in East Asia, Japan attacked China to expand its territory. So, Japan, a small country, tried to try not it had attacked China and tried to uh, take over more places under their territory. So these were the causes. What was the course of the war? So here also the war was divided among two groups. There are Axis and Allies group. So 30 countries joined either the group. So in that, main countries of Axis power were Germany, Italy and Japan. Allies power are England, France, Russia and other countries. So what happened in this course of war? So as I said, the first reason for the attack for the Second World War is Germans' occupation of Poland on September 1st, 1939. So Germany occupied Poland. Germany occupied Poland. At that time, England, which was a friendly country of Poland, did not come to help for Poland. Means it did not help Poland, it just kept quiet and saw what is going to happen. So after that, in Russia, when Russia came under, means after some, the war was taking on place, when Russia came under the communist rule, Russia came under the communist rule, it entered into a pact of pact means agreement with Germany. So why it entered into Germany means because all these Axis powers want to attack Russia. So knowing this, at that time Russia was under the communist rule, so it made an idea and it went with an act, making an agreement with Germany, and that agreement was non-war pact, means not to war against each other pact. According to whatever the agreement that they signed on August 24th, 1939, Hitler did not attack the western part. Instead, he attacked west, but he did not attack east because east part was under the control of Russia. So to attack that western part, Hitler, he made an agreement with Italy. Means both the dictators joined together and occupied the western part of Europe, that is Denmark, Norway, Holland. So they took over this. So after this, Russia did not keep quiet. Sorry, Hitler want to occupy the other part also. So he was thinking of attacking Russia. Hitler thinking in 1941 to attack Russia. So at that time, on the either side, on the other part of the world, Japan Japan also, a small country, attacked the big country USA, on the West Pacific Ocean, on the western part of Pacific Ocean, and occupied that places over there. So seeing this, USA could not keep quiet. So this here Hitler want to occupy Russia, and here Japan had already occupied most of the places of USA. So all this made, and on the other side, Italy and Germany, they were trying to occupy more colonies in North Africa and Suez Canal, but they were not successful in that. Why? Because by that time Russia came to know about this Hitler, that he won't leave them. So as a result, Russia with his German Russia attacked Germany, attacked and defeated German force in Stalingrad, a place called Stalingrad. In 1942, Russia defeated German forces in Stalingrad. So after this, Russia, with the support of Allied forces means England and France, the other two, all the three attacked Italy also, and Italy also was being defeated. So on the either side, this USA, which was defeated by Japan, it did not keep quiet. USA also attacked Japan and defeated Japan. How? So with all this, Hitler surrendered. Hitler Hitler surrendered. Finally, Hitler, with no way, he has to surrender. In a place called Berlin, he surrendered. So USA also dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima, Nagasaki, the Pearl Harbor of Japan. And finally, Japan also surrendered on August 1945. So here all the Axis powers, that is Germany was defeated by Russia, Italy was defeated by Allied forces, means England, France, and Russia. Japan was defeated by USA. So therefore, all the Axis powers was defeated in the Second World War. So what were the results? Results of this war. So the war caused utmost misery and death in the human history. So most of the people died in this war, and it was the first war that created so much misery. Secondly, there were many changes in social, political, and economic changes in the world. Then United Nations, League of Nations were established in the First World War. Here, United Nations organization came into existence to maintain peace. And all the winning countries of Second World War, that is England, China, USA, Russia, and France, all these became permanent members of UNO Security Council. Next, USSR and USA became powerful rival countries. These two countries became powerful rival, means enemy countries, and that only gave in the future for Cold War. Then nuclear arms race started. So in this we came across that USA dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So as a result, that were atom bombs, so therefore nuclear arms were used, and with this each country want to take the arms, buy arms and store in their country. So therefore arms race started between powerful countries. So this is about Second World War.